I'm Aliyah. I'm going to be saying I drive your truck. There's 89 cents in the ashtray. Half empty bottle of Gatorade rolling on the floorboard. That dirty red cat's on the dash. Dog tags hanging from the rear view. Old school can and the cowboy boots and a go on the shirt. Folded in the back. This thing burn gas like crazy, but that's alright. People got their ways of coping, and I got mine. I drive your truck. I roll every window down, and I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, I tear it up to old plains, a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes I drive your truck, and I leave that radio playing, that old country station where you left it. Yeah, man, I crank it up. You probably punch my arm right now if you saw this tear rolling down on my face. Hey, man, I'm trying to be tough. And Mama asked me this morning if I'd buy your grave. But this flag of stone ain't where I feel you anyway. I drive your truck. I roll every window down and I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, I tear it up to all the pains, a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes I drive your truck.
You drive a truck.
I cussed, I prayed, I said goodbye. I shook my fist and asked God why. These days when I'm missing you this much, I drive your truck. I roll every window down and I burn up every back road in this town. I find the field, I tear it up to all the pains, a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes, brother, sometimes I drive your truck.
That the end of it?
I drive your truck. I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind. I drive your truck. Bye.